Schematic drawings deal with individual wires, whereas with house wiring we are dealing with cable connections of number 14-2 or number 14-3 cable conductors. Let's see how that works. I have maintained the same connections as the schematic drawing, but this time I am placing the components, the two three-way switches and the light, in separate electrical boxes, as in real life. The electrical box boundaries are indicated by the blue dotted rectangles. The feed wire is the number 14-2 NMD cable, entering the switch box number 2 on the right. A number 14-3 NMD cable is connected between the switch box number 1 and switch box number 2. The white wire of this cable is not connected to either of the switches, but jumpers the neutral from the feed wire through to the light. The red and black wires of this number 14-3 cable are connected to the carrier terminals of each switch. It does not matter which carrier terminal is connected to which wire. Finally, a number 14-2 cable carries the neutral and the switched hot wire from the switch box number 2 to the light. Replacing the actual switches, the setup will look more realistic. Now that we have the three-way lights figured out, let's complete this one circuit by picking up the last outlet in the dining room area, and the refrigerator circuit. Bringing the feed from that circuit over to the innermost receptacle in the garage, and then continuing on to feed the switch, which ultimately lights the laundry room area. The last remaining outlet in the dining room area will be on a separate feed, for no other reason other than we have lots of available circuits. The next two feeder circuits will be brought out on number 12-2 wire that is going to be fused with a 20 amp AFCI breaker, or an arc fault circuit interrupter breaker. The dishwasher is going to be fed with a number 14-2 cable, and a separate, 15 amp standard breaker. Next we have to connect the washer and dryer. The dryer load will require a number 10-3 feeder cable, and a 30 amp, double pole breaker. The washer will only require a number 14-2 feeder cable, and a 15 amp single pole breaker. The range load will require a number 8-3 feeder cable, and a 40 amp double pole breaker. Finally, the last outlet plug in the garage will be fed from a separate breaker rated at 15 amp. Stay tuned to this site, as I will be diving into more information on electrical installations. In the meantime, take advantage of the availability of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets, if you haven't already downloaded them. These are extremely valuable while viewing my courses, as well as a recall of the pertinent formulas and information after the fact. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website. https://bit.ly/47y_3 and h. As I said, stay tuned for future releases on this site that will provide you with more on my courses. You can also directly access my Stan Store courses at this website. https://stan.store/G, B.